Hi guys, this is Smriti Singhal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll tell you how you can reuse your old top which you do not wear now or is not very trendy anymore. Since crop tops are trendy and will be in trend for a long time, you can always go for converting your old top into a crop top. I also thought of making or converting my top into a crop top, but the type of top I am using is a bit different. So let's find out what did I create from my old top. This is the top I was talking about. This is my 4 years old sequin top which is from Dorothy Perkins. I used to wear this a lot but I do not have any picture of it, but I loved it when it was trendy, but now it's not trendy anymore. You can still wear a glittery shimmery top, but wearing a sequin top even to a party is not a thing anymore. So yes, I definitely thought of converting this into a crop top, but no, again it's a top so I can't wear it anywhere. That's why I came up with an idea of converting this into a blouse which you can pair with a sari and a lehenga. So this is what it looks like being a blouse. My sister helped here. She stitched this blouse for me. What she did is she cut the top from the middle and made a deep cut at the back to give it a proper blouse look, and finally stitched all the rough ends. But after wearing it, I realized one thing, that this is little loose from the waist area because I intend to wear it as a blouse, and if I am going to tighten it, I'll not be able to wear it properly. So what I'll do is I'll go to a tailor and tell him to add a zipper in the side area so that I'll be able to wear it properly. But now it's not ready yet, so what I'll do is I'm going to show you all how did I style this blouse with a sari, and I created 3 looks using this blouse and the sari for different occasion, of course. So let's get started with that. This is the first look I created. You can create this look for a marriage function. The sari that I paired is a plain black sari with a velvet border which has some beautiful work in silver color, and so this is going so well with that blouse. I'm wearing all sorts of jewelry here like neck piece, fancy bangle, a ring, earrings and a bindi. But to keep the look balanced, what I did is I did the minimal makeup, pulled my hair back in a messy ponytail, a nude shade lipstick and done. Before you say anything, yes, I'm using the same sari to create all the looks. Here I created this look for something like a normal cocktail party or anything which does not have a lot of dhoom dhadaka like a wedding function. This will fit that purpose so well. Here I'm wearing the big silver earrings. Jhumkas will also look very good. Silver bangles in both of my hands. For the jewelry part, that's it. No bindi, no neck piece. But yes, I did add a color in my lip shade, a cherries lip shade to not go very neutral, otherwise that can make this look go dull. And yes, with half of my hair open. I'm very happy with the way this look has come out. So simple yet classy. Now you can decide on what occasion you can wear this. I think we can wear this in any occasion, not very simple one, but yes, any height function. For this look, I decided not to keep my palla open just like the previous 2 looks, and instead I tried to tie it up properly to give it a more elegant look. I kept my hair open, which is styled back, good shimmery earrings, shimmery bracelet and a ring, and I matched my lip shade, a red lipstick with the red bindi. And here is your elegant look, absolutely ready. So this is it for today guys. I will wait for your comment on what do you think on converting a sequin top into a blouse and about all the looks that I created using that blouse and sari. I hope to see you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.